Hi guys! Welcome back po sa aking channel, and for today's video, may isi-share lang ako guys na bagong earning site na kung saan guys ay after natin ditong mag-register is meron agad tayong withdrawable balance na 30 pesos. So if gusto nyo ditong mag-register guys ay ilalagay ko na lang sa description box or comment section yung link. So kapag mag-register tayo dito guys ay through mobile number, and then enter lang natin guys yung ating password, yung nickname, yung ating email, and then i-click lang natin tong send guys para magka-receive tayo ng verification code. And then after natin ditong mag-register guys is kailangan muna natin i-set yung ating trade password. So dapat guys yung trade password nyo is hindi nyo makakalimutan kasi ito yung gagamitin natin guys kapag mag-withdraw tayo. And then, meron nga sila ditong Telegram channel guys. So, pwede kayong mag-join sa kanilang Telegram channel para malaman nyo guys yung mga latest events nila. And then, meron din silang pa-daily rewards. And then, dito guys, kapag new register tayo dito is meron tayong makukuhang free 30 pesos guys. So, para maklaim natin yung free 30 pesos guys, i-click mo lang tong treasure chest dito. And then, enter mo lang itong code na to guys, no? And then, ilalagay ko na lang din guys itong code na to sa description box. So, itong code na to guys is makikita din natin sa kanilang Telegram channel. So, after natin guys na ma-enter yung code, so, i-click lang natin tong exchange. And then, click lang natin confirm. And then guys, papasok na yan guys sa ating withdrawable balance. So refresh lang natin guys, no? So ayan, meron na tayong withdrawable balance dito guys na 30 pesos. And then itong platform na to guys ay may dalawang paraan na kumita tayo. So yung unang paraan guys ay yung product nila na kung saan is kapag nag-invest tayo dito guys ay pwede tayong kumita. And then yung pangalawang paraan guys ay pwede tayong kumita dito ng libre lang by through inviting. So una guys, dito muna tayo sa product nila na kung saan nga guys, no, is kailangan natin ditong mag-invest. So click natin tong invest guys. So dito guys, meron silang tatlong product, itong VIP, Stabilize, and then Welfare. So dito guys sa VIP is pre-sale pa siya, and then dito sa Welfare ay hindi pa din siya naka-live sell guys, no. So yung available pa nila na product guys ay itong Stabilize equipment. So, dito guys, pwede tayong makapag-invest dito ng 360 pesos. And then, yung ating income days is 10 days. So, 10 days tayong magka-income. And then, yung ating daily income guys is 56 pesos. So, yung ating total income is 568 pesos. So, dito guys, sa equipment 1, so 499 naman yung investment amount. And then, yung income days guys is 45 days. And then, yung daily income natin dito is 27 pesos. So, yung ating total income guys is 1,257. So, dito sa equipment 2 guys, yung investment amount nila is 880 pesos. And then, yung income days is 50 days. So, yung ating daily income is 51 pesos. So, yung total income natin guys is 2,596 pesos. So, ayan, meron silang equipment 3, equipment 4. So, check nyo na lang siya guys. So, ito pa yung available nila na product guys na pwede natin i-invest. Kasi itong VIP nila guys, pre-sale pa siya. Yung Welfare is hindi pa din siya naka-live sell. So, for example guys, ay gusto nyo ditong mag-try mag-invest. So, for example, dito tayo sa 360 pesos nila. So, kailangan muna natin dito guys na mag-recharge. So, dito sa ating profile guys, so i-click lang natin tong deposit. And then, yung kanilang minimum deposit amount dito guys is 400 pesos. So, dito sa select deposit channel guys, pili ka lang kung saan mo mag-deposit. So, dito enter lang natin guys, no, yung amount kung magkano yung ating i-deposit. So, 400 pesos, ayan. And then, scroll down lang natin guys. So, makikita natin itong instruction nila dito guys or video tutorial kung paano mag-deposit. So, pwede mo to siyang i-play guys, no? And then, ayan, i-click lang natin tong to deposit guys. And then, mapupunta tayo dito guys. So, enter mo lang dito yung GCash number mo. Then, kapag naka-deposit ka na guys, so dito tayo guys, no, mag-invest. So, try natin mag-invest dito guys sa 360 pesos. So, dito i-click lang natin tong invest now. And then, dito makikita natin yung details ng product. So, click lang natin to siya guys. And then, successfully invest na siya, guys. So, nakapag-invest na ako, guys. And then, para ma-check natin, guys, yung ating in-invest na product. So, punta lang tayo dito sa ating profile, guys. And then, i-click lang natin tong My Order. And then, makikita na nga natin, guys, dito yung ating product na pinorchase or in-invest. And then, yung pangalawang paraan na kumita tayo dito, guys, ay meron silang task. So, i-click lang natin to, guys. Kapag meron tayong invite, guys, na nag-invest dito sa kanilang platform, is meron tayong makukuhang reward na 50 pesos. So, if gusto nyo ditong mag-invite, guys, i-click mo lang tong spread. And then, dito, guys, ito yung copy and share. So, nakopy na natin yan, guys, yung ating referral link. So, dito nga, guys, no, kapag yung ating invite is nag-invest dito, so, kapag level 1, guys, is 15% yung makuha natin na commission kapag yung ating invite is nag-invest dito. Kapag level 2 is 3%, kapag level 3 is 1%. So, dito nga guys, no, aside sa commission na makukuha natin, meron tayong additional na 50 pesos na makukuha kapag yung ating level 1 na invite is nag-invest dito. So, pwede tayong kumita dito ng libre lang guys. I-copy nyo lang and then i-share nyo lang guys yung referral link mo sa mga friends mo guys na mahilig mag-invest sa mga ganitong platform. So, ngayon guys, if meron na tayong na-earn dito, and then meron na tayong withdrawable balance, so bago tayo makapag-withdraw guys, is kailangan muna nating i-bind yung ating GCash. I-click lang natin tong bank card. And then, i-click lang natin tong add bank account. So, dito guys, center lang natin yung ating GCash name. And then, sa bank name guys is GCash. And then, sa bank account number is yung ating GCash number. So, kapag mag-add tayo dito ng GCash guys, kailangan natin i-enter yung ating trade password dito. So, kapag na-bind na guys, pwede na tayong mag-withdraw dito. So, i-click lang natin tong withdraw. And then, meron na sila ditong withdrawal tips, guys. So, yung withdrawal time is Monday to Friday, 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. And then, yung minimum withdrawal amount, guys, is 200 pesos. And then, meron silang withdrawal fee na 10%. Meron nga tayo ditong available balance, guys, na 1,670 pesos. So, try natin siyang i-withdraw, guys. And then, kapag na-enter mo na, guys, yung withdrawal amount mo and then trade password, so, click lang natin submit. So, withdrawal has been submitted na siya guys. So, wait na lang natin na papasok yung ating withdraw dito sa ating GCash. So, para ma-check natin guys yung ating withdrawal status, i-click lang natin tong withdrawal record. And then, as you can see guys, is pending review pa siya. So, dito guys, yung oras na nag-withdraw ako is 15:02 or 3:02 p.m. And then, after 1 hour, guys, is payment succeeded na siya. And then, na-receive ko na siya, guys, sa aking GCash. So, dito sa aking GCash, guys, yung oras na na-receive ko is September 7, 4 p.m. And then, yung amount na na-receive ko, guys, is 1,503 kasi meron silang withdrawal fee, guys, no? So, yun, guys, as of September 7, 3 p.m. ay nagbabayad pa rin tong platform na to. And then guys, kapag may mga problema kayo sa inyong account, sa inyong withdrawal or pag-deposit, so pwede nyo i-contact yung kanilang customer support dito. So, disclaimer lang guys, hindi ko kayo hinihikayat or pinipilit ditong mag-invest dito sa kanilang platform kasi kapag mga investment platform guys, kapag may mga puhunan, medyo risky siya. Kasi hindi tayo sure guys kung tatagal ba yung pagiging legit paying nila. Kaya bago kayo mag-try, always do your own research and invest what you can afford to lose. So that's all guys. Thank you so much for watching my video and God bless!